Let's get your H2O wireless voicemail set up. Now that H2O uses AT&T's network, the process is straightforward. First, dial 86 from your H2O phone. You'll be prompted to set a PIN. The default is the last 4 digits of your phone number, but for security, it's highly recommended you choose a custom 4 to 8-digit PIN. Follow the voice prompts to record a personalized greeting. You have about 30 seconds. You can choose a default system greeting, but a custom greeting is much better for letting callers know they've reached the right number. The most important thing is to have a good recording in a quiet area so callers can understand you clearly. Keep it short, professional, and friendly. This ensures callers know they've reached the right number and are encouraged to leave a message. Now, let's enable visual voicemail. This feature transcribes your voicemails into text and lets you listen to them within an app. It's free with your H2O plan and is now provided through AT&T's Visual Voicemail app, available on both iOS and Android. Download the AT&T Visual Voicemail app and link it to your H2O number. Once activated, voicemails will appear in the app with text previews, letting you quickly scan messages. Visual Voicemail offers several benefits, including faster message review, easy search and organization, and accessibility features. Visual VM is more sustainable with cloud optimization, and you can expect AI integration for filtering out spam. This hybrid system helps provide voicemail to a broader audience. Make sure to change your PIN from the default, since that poses risks. Experts recommend custom codes.